In this video you will understand how to submit your area report. This is a gift from my side to all new area directors. First thing first, you need to log in. Of course, when you log in, look at this, your name will display here, welcome, and when you click on your name you will reach to your profile. This is your profile, how it looks like. Let me zoom in. Okay, on your left side you can see your picture and your name, your credentials, member since date, member number, and you will see two buttons here. This is Club Central. This Club Central button is given to those who are ex-com members, are holding any position in club, and District Central button is given to those who are area directors, division directors, or above. It depends. So as an area director, I have a privilege to access District Central. So today we will learn how to submit reports through this button, District Central. Click on this button. You will be taken to another window, District Central. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 buttons. Today we will focus on only area director visit reports. Let's click on it. Alright, you are taken to another window, area director visit report. Now you can read this one. There are two reports to be submitted in 1 year. First round is before 30th November and second round is before 31st May in order to get credit for your distinguished area program. Alright, when we submit report, what do? We select dates we are submitting on, for example 30th, and the club. If you have 4 clubs, you will see 4 clubs here. If you have 3 clubs, you will see 3 clubs names. If you have more than that, as many clubs you have in your area, you will see their names and their numbers. Today I will show you, for example, I will take only one club name, one club, how to submit the report of that club. Click here. Now, since my reports are all submitted, as you can see on your left side, reports are completed, complete. Dates are mentioned here. Now I will just click on any one club's report and show you how it was done. You can follow this visit date and click your club name, select your club name and start submitting it. Alright, suppose let me take my Toastmaster club. When you click on it, you will be taken to another window again. Let me just zoom in. This is, as you can see, round 2. Alright, now you can see that you can see 4 steps here. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Every step and every field is important in order to report submission. Alright, you need to make sure you are filling every single field and clicking every button, or choosing one or the other option out of all given options. Let me just take you through slowly. Answer all these questions. It's very simple. Once everything is done from one page, step 1, you can see, click next. You will be taken to step 2. Step 2, you have followership, variety and communication, or related questions to that field. As you can see, my fields are all locked, so I cannot fill them again. It's all gone and submitted. Alright, Answer all these questions. These things you can answer only if you have visited the clubs. So make sure you visit your clubs regularly in order to understand what's going on in your clubs and in your area. Here step 3 is membership strength. Achievement recognition. How I was able to submit my reports very early. In fact, for the first round I was a second area director, and for the second round I was the first area director in order to submit the reports to district. How I was able to do it? Because I was visiting all the clubs regularly. But it's not important for you. Your job is to visit your clubs at least twice in a year. But if you keep track, if you visit them regularly, you will understand how the progress is happening in your clubs. So you will be able to submit your report as quick as possible. Now the step 4 is information about the club's progress in distinguished club program can be found at blah blah blah. Okay, now every field here, now you need to submit the awards. If you don't know the date of the award to be submitted in future, so you can write any tentative date, but you can get the date from the club president, club VP education, or whosoever is taking care of these awards. Suppose if you don't know the name, you can mention not available. I have mentioned not available because this club was not achieving this CC award. They were not expecting this award to be achieved. If the award is achieved by somebody, by a respective member, you can click here, goal met, yes. If it's not met, you can mention no. But it's important to say yes or no in order to submit your report. So now these questions to be answered. Next, 2 more CC awards. Next, advanced awards. Next, awards. Alright. So every field is important. Suppose here I was mentioning goal met. I don't have anything to say, simply I mention goal met. Alright. These are 4 levels of pathways, 2 levels of pathways, again 2 more levels of pathways, 1 level 3 of pathway, 1 level 4 of pathway, 1 level 5 of pathway, and 4 new members if you have added goal met as for a respective club, 4 more new members. Yes. Alright. The renewal date, due renewals and officers list submitted. This is also very important to follow with your clubs for submission of report and officers list as well as the renewals. If the renewals are late, your distinguished credit will not reach you. Once this is done, here is on your bottom right, the button says submit. Simply says submit. Click. Your report will be submitted, and that's it. Once this is done, you can go back to your area director visit report, and that's it. That's it for today, and wish you good luck for your area position, area director's position. And if you like this report, please share your love, share your heart, so I can do more work, share with you. Thank you so much.